Welcome to Sam's Travels. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Today we're at Spurn Nature Reserve. Spurn Road, Spurn Point. Just been having a little nosy on here. Apparently it says there no drones. Then put what they want. It's I've looked on drone assist. You can fly here. It's not a restricted area. It's a yellow zone, not a red zone. The red zone's for airports, prisons, Ministry of Defence. That's not to do with any of them. And it's there. We don't want you to do it. Apparently, if you do it and they fly your drone, they're going to call the police. So looks like they'll be ringing up. So the copper's going to come over here. Very much doubt it. Not doing no wrong anyway. It's perfectly legal. It's a yellow zone and it's a warning. Just look out for whatever, you know. Just be careful. It's a warning. Be careful when you fly. It's very, very windy. Very, very windy. Just been to Humber Tavern for Sunday lunch. Met Mrs. Marriott for fetching me out here to do the droning today. So I said I'll take her for a bit of dinner first. And she brought us out yesterday. And we was filming them over there. Now that's the one you can't see from Humberston. And then the one right in the background, you won't even pick it up on this camera. Is that Humberston? You can see the lighthouse from Humberston where it was on the mud flats, beach, sand, whatever it is. Apparently I got some information off Miss Marriott. The metal things in the water was for World War I, World War II, and the soldiers lived on them, and there was guarding the coast. There was the coastal protecting the coast from. That was it, yeah. Erica's just said, I remember her saying yesterday now, they used to have underwater netting to stop the subs getting through. And then they had guns, soldiers. Was there 4-inch guns in there? 4-inch guns. And I think, did it say up to 100 people lived on it? 200. Yeah, 200 people on each one. I flew the drone over yesterday. I got right above it. And it was, I wouldn't like to be with the 200 people who was on there. Yeah, I know it was, I don't know, maybe a mile out to sea or whatever, but it's very small. And I looked at it on the big screen and it looked little. And I wasn't really high above it. Maybe I was like 400 foot, and then I dropped it down to about 20-30 metres. So I wasn't that high above it. Got a real good shot of it. So today, Spurn, we're at the other side from where I was yesterday. I'm gonna get the drone out. Yeah, I know it's a big one, and it's better with wind resistance and all like that. The winds are very strong, so I'm gonna get it out and I'm gonna give it a try. And if it flies, it flies, and if it don't, I'll just fetch it back and we'll come another day. There's always another day to come, but we're here now, so right. I shall see you in a bit when I get the drone out. Look at them big guys. Right in the edge of the road. I won't want them chasing me. Stay over there, I'm not going that side anymore. Camera's going on. The camera was doing this yesterday. Don't know. I hope it's not knackered. Right, I'll see you in a bit. I'm going to get the drone out. drone up for a bit, maybe 5-10 minutes. Way too windy today. Getting loads and loads of wind warnings, strong wind warnings. I've got a little bit. It wasn't very high at all. It just kept getting them. I was dropping it, dropping it, dropping it. Had a little fly around and then just came back. It's getting blown all over. It's a big drone. It's the Air 3 and it's got big batteries. It's a big drone, but not to be. So I'll have to maybe come another day when it's not so windy. But got a little bit to put on, so a little bit's better than now. So thanks for watching. Got flying today with us. Nearly flying away myself today in this wind. I ain't put my mic on with a windsock, so it'll probably be blowing like mad in all these little microphones in the camera. So thanks for flying with Sam's Travels today. We'll see you all on the next one. So you got Sam's Travels signing out. I'll just let you have another look from here. You got the Needle at Grimsby, you can see from here. The docks, I think it's Immingham, and obviously Spurn Lighthouse. Give you a quick pan round. It's only got a 4-sound, so probably won't see much. Might see Immingham docks. Grimsby, the Needle. Whatever else is over there. A few boats out, and where was yesterday? Humberston. Them little fort things in the water. There's 2 of them. There's the lighthouse. Won't zoom in anymore. Just zoom back out. Right, that'll be it for today. Wrapping up now. So you've got Sam's Travels signing out. Thanks for flying with us today. If you like this content, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want. Don't cost now. Follow. Always putting new content out. Excuse me. Don't cost now to subscribe. It's all free. I don't get paid or anything like that from Google or Facebook, TikTok, all the others, because I don't even go on them. I just do a video, upload it on YouTube, don't get no revenue from it. Camera's going dual alley today. Don't get any revenue or paid or anything like that. All the gears me own, I buy it with all my own money. It's just an hobby, flies an hobbyist. Friend brings me out, gets out, get a bit of exercise, go for a bite to eat and a drink, go home, edit it all, see what we've got. So thanks for watching today. We'll see you all on the next one. Sam's Travels signing out from Spain.